krata bi epi abonten. Na is all about eye openina woneda Komfoanoche aya de sabia ano. Na krata aba na suye se osuafo a woneda apomuden ho nsem so. Nhyira minta kando. Wonomo asamo eye Komfoanoche eye CEO. Na Jeff krata no to so mame. Eye doctor med pa kwesi beidu inti oba Facebook eye letter no and the dasono from the Ministry of Health on 3rd June 2026 to the Chief Executive Officer Komfoanoche Teaching Hospital Ashanti Region query regarding KATH Accident and Emergency Center full and unable to admit new cases management. And the honona o kind letter anymore. Or say the Ministry of Health has taken note of a statement with our above caption making rounds on social media. Further, the head of Public Affairs of Komfoanoche Teaching Hospital was also heard on Channel 1 TV News affirming the decision of hospital management on the inability of the emergency center to admit new cases. This is contrary to a clear directive of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana to hospitals not to turn away emergency cases. You are by this letter requested to appear before the Honorable Minister of Health on or before 12 noon on Thursday, June 4, 2016, that's today, to explain why disciplinary action should not be taken against you for contradicting a clear directive of His Excellency President of the Republic of Ghana. We count on your cooperation. To Desmond Boateng, Chief Director for the Minister, and our sign. Now, Nhyira say Ministry of Health. Eye oswafo na tonsa frɛ Komfoanoche aya de sabia penia wodano a wo kyerɛ sɛ wo mo krata Komfoanoche wo mo edeba monten a wo mo kyerɛ sɛ emergency ho ayema 2 wo mo ntimi anyi nipa enka ho enti wo mo emma obia emma emergency ho because ayema no wo mo Ministry of Health wo mahu. Secondly, Komfoanoche PR nso akɔ Channel 1 TV akokasa wa confirm say hospital management no one na take that decision is say wo mu entumi nyini pasan say ho ayema. But President John Dramani Mahama can say hospital bi anywhere etwa so bi ba wo mo ka chen say onko because ho ayema and I say omo turn patients away. Enti die enti na papa yi mampani aka asem na wanti na waye bibi foforo. Enti wo mra ene day by do mienu no aba no obekirem die enti a mampani aka asem na as wabusuo on kire die enti ni se yetwe naso ewo ho na aboye nyina apusa kakra because na me feel say be to say enchichirim me hu letter in the last paragraph it sound a bit harsh to me say die enti in the yentimi ntwe waso. Meanwhile, nipa no kra mayema yentie no nwiye. But aye say ya adwini bi da hodada e na wo ba because mampani ka sembi e na wani so. In fact, the challenge of Komfoanoche enra wotie yen. Many PRO for Komfoanoche e kasa wa. Since 1970s and the problem has been emerging e kwa na complaints neba but yehu eye emwa bia eba do expansions in kete few blocks aya ade any ade e do some extent na ehia say Ashanti region ti otekokoso obam na ye heal Komfoanoche because na Komfoanoche no ehwo no yesa ade no kra na Komfoanoche ne yale mekai in opposition. The NDC, some of them made it look as if say MPP benefited from Ashanti region kra omotie biaso no o neglect Komfoanoche. Ebinom kai say MPP ono Ashanti region ya stronghold no ono wama Komfoanoche tete apansam omuko radio so communicators ni bika a omo ede ka say aban no wote so ye nanado danko akufu ado aban no abu Komfoanoche ni chie Sabren so na ye no kre the omo kan ye no kre because Ashanti region is the stronghold of the MPP and we expected much. But Komfanochi so far sa obeti no yes yensuo ma enti doctor fo ntimi nya operation yes nkane a ho nsema yayi nti lift kra wo ntimi nyu so chese every time bia Komfanochi. But the problem is always emerging. Kumasi ne nkran population no enra oti Eugene wa ni nyina ye 5 million o just say difference ni ye kakra bi we dey ye 5 dey fa to suma me Greater Accra ye 5,446,237 that's 2021 population and housing census no Ashanti ye 5,432,485 and the difference ni ye kakra bi enu 50,000 po difference in Kitwe be basic Greater Accra. Any Ashanti render that so no bet me about Facebook. This is the statistics. And he said Greater Accra. The population here 5 million, 5.4. Ashanti region here 5.4. Just difference of some few thousands. Na woso. Na Accra ewo rich hospital. Be containing SSS. Se ebro so no mo chiro mo a. Ebi betimi akọ rich. Specialists in Subi wo Kolebu specialists bi wo because you can't teaching hospitals in that advanced hospitals na ye referrals na it means say so munya specialists obetumi are cases region ho Kolebu ho 37 military hospitals wo so wo hwe Komfanochi apart from Komfanochi wo hey yen hye ni ba bia wa Ashanti region ye wo specialists be wo wo manage cases ye emergencies abroso aji Komfanochi nko. But you're fortunate to have about 3 additional ones here. Womudidi juma. And to say me Greater Accra. And yemi and ya bri say womusukra no. And the BBC say yemi and ya bri facility biswa. Metiasie. Komfanochi ye ba akope. And 12 out of the 16 regions no. And a Komfanochi air servo. Region 16 no. Mako 12 na Komfanochi servo. Apart from Ashanti region, all the 5 northern regions, Oboba, Bono East Ahafo, Western North, and even part of the Central region, Eastern region. One munyina bajia ya de specialist care ewo Komfanochi. In case of emergency, aheya no moba. Matriculasi bi kra fi neighboring countries no, etimi wrem bajia ya de ewo Ghana ase. And the emergency unit ne fa nipa 37 and oma force wa squeezing oma ama say no wura mu a omutimi fa nipa 61 and no kra no doctor for ne kire say abo apeso enti na no de ye si ye nipa 34 ado omugu akire a omo ye say omo akọ other facilities no ama omo de no ma assess ye hu say mu nhye dan ye bia enti omo nko district hospitals ni bia bembe no omutimi enhwe no to handle the situation because 61 no ayema they can't add on. They can't add on. At that moment, no, a DNA expertise and komunye. We had opportunity say, yawa hospitals are akaho, afari military hospital. Ewo se wua de kebetumi a complete abuase ye wie se wua ene ye wia afari military hospital no ena ni nyina wo ho na bia Komfanochi. One man said that so no mu di say adwuma say nipa nko dia. You understand? O say one na ye ma 61. Workers no kura wo ho so mu overwork. Nipa no abuso. And at that time, let's be honest, what exactly should the CEO do at that time? Or admit patient need to the floor. Onjo mungu fem. Na onjo mungu car park wa na ewianim. Ewian baby on park car no muntu car no wanyi mungu wa na. And he no be connected life-saving equipment, no. So he also connected oxygen being a connection bia. And he no be connect. One for munkogu car park one show man. I don't understand. Leadership is not magic. It operates within a system. Yes, system no yet. The capacity is weak. But as usual, Ghana your politics ne say we a penny now da adwuma bia no ana wo bibi kra. Say no maybe ye yi kra e manim pie ka hye tena so yedin. That is how we've lived till now. It is solutions into me ma. It is keye enka the 34 stranded patients no. Ye ye hwehwe ne say enka me enka ho asem. Edin tinka man penifo no kra nkasa. But relatives of SAR 34 no so any abre. Wo mo concern ne say Komfanochi fo mpeso mbehwe wo mo. And you almost so who the situation on the ground. Say nye ye mpese ye behwe mo. Na mo de akọ news akọka se ye call confirm no almost so mo hweye. But mo situation ne say ye ha na ye ma. It's all they deserve to say it. Why should they keep quiet over this? And I nim say enye referral nko na ba confirm accident bit mi si wo kwam ne de o ma ba confirm nti ye won krofo a worum ba confirm wa abra yan refer wo mo. Ebi kura wo a wo maame ne wo papa no wo relatives bi yare a wo de wo ko konfanochi wo abira doctor bi am wo referral ko mo adi rashi ko emergency eti konfanochi nya referral nko an woje. Imagine say obi di ne relative abeduru ho na wonim say ehwa ma na obeduru na ebeka chen say safa ne ko, which we know say in emergency situation no time is of essence. Enti time wo de ne free baby or de ne bae no ebeduru ho no say onya information say konfanochi say why ma enko de na fa baby fufro e maybe o manya first aid bia mana ho ato no. That is common logic, that is sense. Enti kan wo mo kan no mistake be ne wum. Adan say how bad pan the wom say wo mo kan ye manfo hu say ehwa ye manti wo how ho na waste time wa bran ka bia de nipa ne wura ba bia betumi age ne nkwantem na de ne beduru ha wo be kan ni mu aka 34 no ho ama mo atwen ya e bia nu sa na situation na ye worse. What is this? It just say odwene ho sometimes no blaming this you for systemic failure e cause work confanoche me dwene ho amentiase. Mejine ho a mentiase say no patient should be turned away. Enti me bi say o ehinanka won fa omungu like ye nyina any problem no. Enti won fa omungu ehon na man won fa omungu he. That's my question right now. Samutimi kire ba bia na eso odu omugu a e wo konfa no che hwa e handle wo mo I understand. Ye wi afari ni sewua na ade a this wouldn't be a problem. Afali Military Hospital under John Dramani Mahama. Now, Moshe, come to Facebook and never had it. 2014, March 2014. It was expected to see a bit completely. 2018. This is the current stage. Bra Facebook, the current state of Afari. Nkonyane de aye, nkonyane we ye green kama fe and never de ahwaye. Hwe de wa hayi. 2014 ye hyase. Ese wie 2018. Na nado dan kwa kufu ado ba ye wabu ni chi wa nhwe ho. Hwe beds nyina na esei no. Ti sa bed we ye bia. Ebeji obi nkwa. Bebe guwa tete infidie nyina na hwe ya connect cables nyina. Assemble kurani. Assemble kurani. Wo de bra Facebook berade. This is the state of Afari. Wa branka ye military hospital ye edan no kra wa wai. Edan na wa wai essay. In 2014, this was a legacy project by John Dramani Mahama. Went me and your coy and another by so and so. This time, more saba. 1 year on, Ede Konenim. This is it. Shewura pa ewura. Ewura a ewo. Areho. Enye no nko a. Fa eyi de no maye. Fa sewura de no maye. Fa sewura de no so maye. We ofuri krum agenda 111. No de fa sewura de no maye. We behwe sewura de no. Eno so ewura. De aye. Air conditions bo ho say enti na ye nim say ye nyeme ye eyi a ye de sa machines no bebo bo ho aye dan me rust say ye timi aye mienu we nko akora no a enka it wouldn't be a problem. Who de bra Facebook be hade me so de behwe the state of the facility say bia making ubenya ayifo e bia obetena social media na o cancel hunu no odidi watemba. Come and look at this. Eti wow investment, wow pocket money. And now they could see Sadi we and what Johnny say ya. A bad day, as a young shishi, near to one a montem gra. A prawn air titan, or shall glass a woman in our essay. How can we do this to ourselves? Eti, ye bear drink see a baby, you know. And Puma attiti, air condition we cracky bull at it. Eti, a drew sad time now ye baby, you know. As a sa boka fufro, and maintain Sadi we. Na ye koya na say ye buy. And we don't think about this. But we think about say obi a take decision be. And also ye vital to save lives. Yes, because obi wasting the time be do no can say jina ho ne delay ya. And also ye bibi e ho. Doctor Omanebo ama. Eko ho. That was in 2025, April 2025. The expectation was that by December, February 14, 2025. Jeffa, the next one, and the expectation was that you bet me every year by December that year. That was 2025. But yet, any hospitals say. I'm drawing your attention to the fact that say na yan complete say true no Konfanoche emfa huni CEO amode ne beba. He will face the same challenges. Shede why? A hospital a bed capacity betumi share population. Ne ye jai na say na nkotre ne na nkonom ne ayi chese e wo kwa yem pranka nu nyina wu. E de akura asem ni. E sika o. Taxpayers' money. Ofori kroma agenda 111 die. Eno so kra no mfidie gum bibia jefe no so maye. The Ashanti region deserves better. Hwe. Kwan nyina ya ye rules kama. Ensuo di dem ode bra Facebook berade. This ofori krom agenda 111 is where the mechanic say e complete. Just finishing taxes in ketu bi ne di nipa kogum. Air conditions bibia tete say. Why should we do this to ourselves? Enti omo a keso mbenya mfaso wo agenda 111 ni su a ewo forikrom no omo nyina so se kokonfa no che nti bede na emuso enha wo mo let's stop scapegoating this particular CEO. Na yem fix the systemic problem. Me say emfa woni CEO a de ne beba papa ye okoye Professor Adey Mensa okoye ono so ne challenges we amfezi a obeka ho asem ansana ye hwe a otekokko so okra so omusu obeboa na ye healy konfanoche. Every CEO will have the problem until say you be complete our facilities we aboa konfanoche no CEO amode ne beba and wonya problem obia ba obenya problem. Even if you sack this man me say the obeba bia benya problem ebia on cancer the man yakan amagana fo atin so na problem ne wo ho. And now konfanoche a ye won krofo mbehwe o made hia o da monten o da abonten isu otoi ebu o mo abonten o mu ni ba bi krom de o muti beto atwen se ye be yi o mo relatives no konfanoche me say o mo nkohwe o made hia da ho no o hwe no wote abonten wo te ebi ti car park o nsu oto outumi so de ntuma bi akure o mu ni ba bi kura da ho ase ye bua de ye no mayi ebetumi ato betumi ato me. But if you are a politician, if you are the only mobility, you could work on for not here, you better on them. Obefre, I'm here on them. But what about the ordinary Ghanaian? Yanum be a TTA. Ya address the course, no? Now you're changing no more than the AE, including ambulance. Now, when I know a see a wadenta the ACA, and Ray, Eddie, ambulance, a coffee, any panic ambulance, and a for two. Hey. Ambulance ni yepien ya maintenance coach antini power yare emergency yesi hwe emergency yesi adenta new side building na collapse no edan ya bu agu nipa so enra edan ya bu agu nipa so eme yi wo mokra ye den matisa akwada ba akokra o kan ogrom so mo so ware ne nkwa a wo mu gumu a ani bra ba no ambulance ni be fa nipa no a because maintenance coach akra nye some of the ambulance o rekra we see free to ne chese and ambulance ni na aka yepia nipa no so demu ne nkwa. The life of the person is at stake. Some of the ambulances break it down. Ebia say, but we are not replacing. You better do critical stages. MY. Krubi pan na chese. Edru baby a. O kai pass ufri o mai bi mu a. Enti enei on se mpanimfo ni bebre wo ha. Na mo asoa mo yere ne mo akogu abrochire. Wo mo nwo wo ho na mo man nya citizens wo ho. Ai mo man nya adehye e wo ho. Ne de ye nwu ha saa ba ye de ne de ye nya ne yie na ye nso ye ho atoye adwene we etim because wo de obeso abusuafo akoguo no ma wo aye citizens wo ye da mo ase na eduru ko okuro mu na mo ba ye wa se ne South Africa de Africa wo na Europe fo ka wo mo ho ne ade na se wo so hye US wo ne ya ka so obi anko ni krom na wo ba Ghana ha ne no be cha asase na fa mo me yenye ha yi Edin I feel the pain. Look at this patient order ayinimu a ade ne nko I feel it edaya buagu ne so ade ne nko bra Facebook be ade enko ka no nko ye pia obisia meba
Nhyira 104.5 FM.